A nagging cough might have nothing to do with your lungs and everything to do with this one surprising spot on your body. Most people reach for cough medicine when they feel a tickle in their throat. But before you grab another bottle of cough medicine or suck on some cough drops, there's something you could try. This technique has been quietly used for centuries by acupuncture masters, and more people are rediscovering it today because it can help calm the body's cough reflex naturally without any drugs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and activate the cough miracle point that just might be what your body needs to quiet that cough, especially if it's the kind that lingers after a cold, flu, or overuse. It's quick, simple, and something you can do at home. It's based on a system of medicine that's been practiced for over 4,000 years. And when this point is stimulated correctly, it sends a signal to help calm your lungs and open your chest. If your cough gets worse at night, or if it just won't go away, this could be the missing piece that you're looking for. The cough miracle point is a powerful Chinese hand acupuncture point that's considered to be a miracle point. Chinese hand points are some of the most effective on the body. They follow a this for that approach. You use this point for that issue. They're quick to learn, easy to use, and remarkably effective. Knowing hand acupressure is like having a pharmacy in your hand, and learning these points is an important step in becoming your own doctor. Please comment below with any symptoms that you've been having. I read all the comments and I use them to plan future videos. My name is Dr. Barrett. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm an expert in Western acupuncture. I've helped thousands of people get better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. The cough miracle point is located a little bit below the web between your index and your middle fingers. Right over here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. Or if you have a Teishin, which is a spring-loaded acupressure instrument, you can pulse it 25 times, like this. And here's another view. Now find and activate this point on your other hand. If you have a cough, I suggest that you find and activate this point 3 times a day for the next 30 days and then use as needed thereafter. The next step to recovery is to boost your immune system. I've put my video, Strengthen Immunity Naturally, right over here. Have a look.